Before you buy a used car from Carmax or Carvana, you should ask yourself, what's missing? To start, can you buy certified? East Coast sells pre-owned cars that are factory certified for quality and reliability. Will your car come with service benefits? Our cars have a factory-trained service department behind them to keep you going worry-free. Can you get your car delivered? We'll deliver your car anywhere in the Carolinas. What about warranties? All of our pre-owned cars come with a 3-day exchange, and many are covered by a 60-day, 3,000-mile warranty. Are you dealing with a local business? We sell used cars that were purchased new right here and have been serviced here ever since. We're a local business, invested in our community and our neighbors. What about problems? If you have troubles with your car, you can be confident that our factory-trained technicians are ready to get you back on the road. A buyer for your car? We'll buy your car, even if you don't buy ours. Anything else? Plenty. We've got a full package of benefits to make sure your shopping, buying, and ownership experience is the very best in the business. So pay us a visit. When you buy a pre-owned car from East Coast, the only thing missing is worry.